I'm Nicole Belanda from Rockwell Automation. I'm the Customer Advocacy Program Manager, and we're here to talk about results achieved. I'm joined by Ray from Interstates to talk about some results that they were able to achieve with one of their key customers. Hi, Ray.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Can you tell us what your role is at Interstates and then also what Interstates does?
Okay, so I'm an automation manager with Interstates. We're a design build firm. We got about 1,200 employees. We do anything from consulting, automation, construction, instrumentation.
Great. So who is the customer we'll be talking about today?
Country Maid out of West Bend, Iowa. They do butter braids and cake rolls. Provide them to a lot of fundraising applications.
Okay, pretty sure I've seen some of those come home with my children, so I'm sure that I'm a customer of Country Maid. But tell us, what were they looking to solve? And I know you've worked with them for years, right?
Yep. It's been about a 10-year relationship. They initially came to us trying to increase their throughput through their facility, higher demand. They didn't want to expand their facility, so we're trying to come up with some new ways to, increase the production and reduce some labor.
Got it. So it wasn't necessarily a greenfield project. They already had some equipment in place and they were running a line, it sounds like, but they wanted more throughput to meet demand. What else were they looking for? More efficiency, maybe?
Yeah, some more efficiency. So yeah, you are correct. They had some of the equipment. The facility was running, but there was no automation. It was all standalone islands of mixers and additions and stuff like that. So.
Okay, so what did Interstates suggest and how did you, propose that to the customer?
We initially kind of sat down with them, kind of talked through their process, walked the facility, sat down with some of their engineering team, kind of had a little discussion on how we thought we could increase the production and what kind of, software packages, hardware packages, what would work best for them. So
okay.
It kind of stemmed from just conversations, more of a consulting initial engagement. So.
Interstates is part of our partner network, right?
Yeah, that is correct. We are a gold member.
What does that mean to be a gold member of the partner network, just for those watching?
Really just, we have to have an investment in our training. We work hand in hand with Rockwell. We partner with them on some engagements with customers, and just, working as a partnership.
And we really appreciate your partnership because you're able to take your design and consulting expertise out into the field and help customers solve problems. So tell us a little bit more about what was implemented at this customer site.
So we went with a PlantPAx solution. They're utilizing Factory Talk Badge, VUSE, all Rockwell power control and Rockwell controllers, historian. So they got the full
kit and caboodle.
Yep.
So we went from no automation essentially to an automated line. What else changed though? Because you were able to expand their production by adding automation, right?
Yeah, yep. So initially they talked about getting building some larger mixers, and that created a problem because they'd have to increase the building size. So we were able to keep the same mixers. We were able to add another line. I think we reduced the mixing time by about 23%,
wow.
which allowed those mixers to feed an additional line. We also increased the line speed by 14% and reduced a bunch of labor. So they were able to almost over double their output,
wow.
by adding the second line without adding any additional labor.
That's fabulous. Those are some really great results. So what else has been happening with the customer since that initial project was done?
So with with some of the reporting features and them actually being able to see, anywhere from what does the temperature affect their product, because on the pastry line with dough and flour and stuff like that, the outside temperature, inside temperature really affects, the consistency of that.
Okay.
So they actually added on to the facility several times since then, automated more of the ingredient feeds. We're able to put some of the flour inside because we wanted a certain temp to give it a better texture. And we've also done some ERP integration with them. So their distributors would put in orders, and then their ERP system would essentially create campaigns, put them on the batch list. Their operator would come in the morning. Everything they needed to do was already set up. They would just essentially hit start.
Wow.
And then we did productions and consumptions on raw materials, and their ERP would automatically order order some of the raw materials when they got low.
This sounds like a really fun customer to work with. Like they're open to digital transformation. They're open to trying new things.
Yeah, they're very forward thinking. I mean, they've worked with us on some testing and some beta releases and software. We actually 2 months ago just finished up the PlantPAx 5.0 upgrade with them. So
that's great.
Yep.
Well, congrats, Country Maid, on your digital transformation so far and your continued journey. And thank you so much, Ray, for telling us what Interstates is doing. And we're really appreciative that we got to hear your results achieved.
Yeah, thank you for your time today. I appreciate it.